I'm going to run your test today on an A3040 unit. This is a 10 horsepower unit, and with screws like this unit will have no problem chewing through without any problems. The rotor is a 12-inch diameter rotor by 16-inch, and so your screws, after this part I'll close the top and show you it's going to orientate in. Fall down, you have no problem that way. If it comes in an angle, you still have no problem. If it comes in kind of this way, you still have no problem chewing these things up. So it's a fairly easy to orientate this part into this unit. And this large sprue here that you have coming off, that's not a problem either, because the distance between the rotors is more than enough to take it and pull it in and adjust the part. So I'm going to now close it, and I'm going to show you how to feed from the top in. So here's the unit with the hopper closed, and these are your runners. There's two ways to load this. One is right through the top. I don't know if you can see. Just drop it right in, and it'll have no problem at all. And the second way is just drop it through the front passageway here, which will take it down to the rotor. I'll show them both in the test so you can see how they both get fed in here. And then to turn on this machine, it's just a blower. This unit has a blower on it. We sell these units with blowers and without blowers, but this one, our test lab, has the blower on it. And then this turns on the blades. Now the rotor's moving. I'm just gonna feed it into the top. Has no problem taking it. Now I'm going to push the next one through the door. No problem taking it. What I'm doing is I'm going to take this whole handful here, which is more like happens in the real world. Someone comes by and drops it in. This unit has no problem processing the sprues that you sent. What I'll do is I'm going to let it just run out, and I'll show you what the test material looks like. View from the top. We ran that test, and it was a fairly small sample size test. It took about a minute to grind it all up, and this is what it all came out to be. But this is your material. And it's nice, no heat or anything on it. What I'm doing is I'm going to bag it up and send it to you. So again, this is a 300 400 unit. We also have two sizes bigger than this. One is a 300 600 and a 300 800. 300 800 is 32 inches and the 300 600 is 24 inches. But this machine can handle your sprues without any problem putting them in there, and the chance of clogging is very remote given the size chamber you have here.